What? It's on! Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. All right. Hey, it's David Webb, and I'm coming to you atop of my palm tree in the house. I've got 3 palm trees, and this one's 25 feet tall. I've got another one. Let me see if I can reverse this thing. Hold on, hold on. Y'all see that one? That one right there? That one's 90 feet tall. It's the tallest palm tree in Mobile. So I was wanting to get on top of that thing, but I just don't know. I don't know if it's gonna do it because it's just, I can't climb that thing. So here's the deal. I want to get up there to the top. Oh my goodness. I want to get up there to the top one day and do a live spot from a hurricane, but I'm probably going to need a crane. So after we get this done tonight, I'm hoping that you guys will sponsor me. So I'm going to put a GoFundMe page together for a web crane to put me on top of that 90-foot palm tree. And I'm hoping that one of these days, soon, probably this season, that we're going to wind up getting another hurricane. Oh goodness. So there we go. So here's what I know right now. The millibars have moved to $9.99, which means that it's strengthening. And oh goodness gracious, takes a lot. So you can tell that the wind is blowing. It's about 75-mile-an-hour winds are expected later on tonight, and I'm sure hoping that everybody's going to be just fine and dandy. But do me a favor, don't get on any palm trees. And here's the deal. I'm the first person to do a weather spot from on top of a doggone palm tree, 25 feet up in the air. Me. So I want y'all to know, and I want y'all to just please like and share, because the Weather Channel ain't got nothing on the web channel. So it's one of those things where, you know, I'm not crazy, but I just wanted to do this. I'm the first guy to do this. 25 feet up in a palm tree in a hurricane. And that's what I'm talking about. So I want y'all to be safe. And oh my goodness, this rain's coming down. Y'all be safe tonight. And I hope you stocked up on batteries and water. And most of all, connected. Because I'm telling you, it's the best stuff on the planet. And I'm hoping, whoa. Oh, no. I'm hoping that they'll sponsor me for my spot up on top of that palm tree. So anyways, y'all find Webb's. Oh my gosh. Oh, no. Y'all need to go to GoFundMe and look for Webb's crane, because I'm telling you, I'm going to need some help. It's about $1,500, no big deal. Y'all just go ahead and load it up, and we'll get a crane out here. They're going to put me on top of that thing, and I'll make even more of a history. All right? So anyways, y'all like and share. Love y'all to death. Y'all have a grill, go cook some Conecuh. Oh, no. This wind sky is bad. All right, I got to go. Love y'all. Take care. Oh, my goodness.